Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of 3D metal printing technology. In this video, we'll explain how additive manufacturing is transforming the way we create complex metal components. 3D metal printing, or additive manufacturing, is a process that builds parts layer by layer rather than cutting away material. This technology allows for design freedom and material efficiency that traditional subtractive methods simply cannot match. Let's take a look at the step-by-step process of turning a digital concept into a solid metal part. Everything begins with a CAD model. Engineers design the intricate geometry on a computer before it ever reaches the printer. The software then slices this 3D model into thousands of microscopic horizontal layers for the printer to process. Now, we reach the heart of the machine, where the magic happens through precision laser technology. A thin, uniform layer of metal powder is spread across the build platform, ready for fusion. A high-powered laser scans the layer, melting the powder only where the design specifies to fuse it into solid metal. The build platform lowers slightly, and the process repeats, stacking layer upon layer until the shape is complete. Once the printing is done, the part isn't ready just yet. It must undergo several post-processing stages. First, the completed part is carefully removed from the build plate, which often holds it in place during the print. Any support structures used during the build are removed to ensure the final geometry is clean and precise. Finally, heat treatment is applied to relieve internal stresses and optimize the material's strength and durability. With the part complete, we can see the true potential of this technology in action. From aerospace engines to custom medical implants and automotive parts, the possibilities are virtually endless. 3D metal printing offers unparalleled design freedom and efficiency, setting the standard for the next generation of manufacturing.